Hi students, this is class for 10th class, subject mathematics, chapter 11 trigonometry, exercise 11.4, problem number 10. My name is Mandalapu Srinivasarao, working as PG in mathematics, Achyambeta, Guntur district. Since 2 days, you are learning the problems of 11.4 from 1 to 9. Today, we have to solve this problem of 10. What is the problem of 10? If cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k, then prove that cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. There are many methods to solve this problem, but two methods are very important. They are direct method and equations method. First, we will take solving this problem in direct method. Problem is, if cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k, then prove that cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Generally, for all the problems, majority of the problems we will solve from LHS to RHS. But in this problem, we will go from RHS to LHS. What is RHS? K square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Here given k is cosecant theta plus cot theta. So substitute this value in the place of k. Then we will get cosecant theta plus cot theta whole square minus 1 by cosecant theta plus cot square theta whole square plus 1. But this term is in the form of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square means a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this can be written as cosecant square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 cosecant theta cot theta minus 1. Similarly, in the denominator also cosecant square theta plus cot square theta 2 cosecant theta plus cot theta plus 1. By rewriting the terms, by using these identities of trigonometry, 1 plus cot theta is equal to cosecant square theta. This can be written as cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. By transposing this plus 1 to that side, it will change it as minus 1. So, cosecant square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. Write this cosecant square theta minus 1 in one bracket. Then, numerator will be changed as cosecant square theta minus 1 plus cot square theta plus 2 cosecant theta cot theta by, in the denominator, cosecant square theta same, cot square theta plus 1 write in one bracket, then 2 cosecant theta cot theta. By using these two formulas, we get cosecant square theta minus 1 means cot square theta same, 2 cosecant theta cot theta same. In the denominator also, cosecant square theta same, cot square theta plus 1, that means cosecant square theta, 2 cosecant theta cot theta same. Cot square theta, 2 cot square theta. Cosecant square theta, 2 cosecant square theta. So, the fraction is 2 cot square theta plus 2 cosecant theta cot theta by 2 cosecant square theta plus 2 cosecant theta cot theta. In the numerator, 2 cot theta is common in these two terms. In the denominator, 2 cosecant theta is common. So, in the numerator, take 2 cot theta as common. Then left with 2 cot theta into cot theta plus cosecant theta. In the denominator, take 2 cosecant theta as common. Then you left with 2 cosecant theta into cosecant theta plus cot theta. 2 cancel. Cot theta plus cosecant theta plus cot theta, both are same factors. So, cancel these two factors. So, we will left with cot theta by cosecant theta. This can be written as cot theta into 1 by cosecant theta. But another trigonometrical identities gives cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. 1 by cosecant theta means sin theta. So, write in the place of cot theta, cos theta by sin theta, 1 by cosecant theta written as sin theta. Then cancel this sin theta, we left with cos theta. This is the LHS, cos theta is the LHS. That is, solvation is over. Next, take equations method. Problem is same. If cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k, then prove that cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Take given value. Cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k. Let it be for equation number 1. Take another trigonometric identity. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. This is in the form of a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. Here a is cosecant theta, b is cot theta. So this can be written as a plus b into a minus b. That means cosecant theta plus cot theta into cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. Take this cosecant theta plus cot theta value to that side. This is here in the form of into, multiplication form. If we are taking this factor to that side, it will give division form. So we left with cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta plus cot theta. Here cosecant theta minus cot theta is same is equal to 1 by, this value is k, that is given here given. So 1 by k. Let it be equation number 2. Here we have to do two works. First one is subtraction of first equation, second equation, and adding of first equation, second equation. First we will do subtraction. Subtract the equation 2 from 1. Then signs will be changed for the terms in the equation number 2. This is the first equation. This is the second equation. In the subtraction, secondary equation terms, signs will be changed. So this is minus, this is plus. This is also minus. So plus cosecant theta, minus cosecant theta cancel. Left with cot theta, 2 cot theta. K minus 1 by k. Let it be third equation. Add the equations 1 and 2. This is first equation, this is second equation. In addition, there is no change of signs. So plus cot theta minus cot theta cancel. Cosecant theta, 2 cosecant theta is equal to k plus 1 by k. Let it be a fourth equation. Now divide third equation by fourth equation. This is third equation, this is fourth equation. Cancel 2. You left with cot theta by cosecant theta, k minus 1 by k plus 1 by k. We have formulas from trigonometric identities. What is cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta? What is cot theta? Cos theta by sin theta. Substitute these values in this equation. Cot theta means cos theta by sin theta. Cosecant theta means 1 by sin theta. Here subtract these two numbers. Then we will get k square minus 1 by k. Add these two numbers. K square plus 1 by k. Here sin theta cancel. K cancel. We left with only cos theta by 1, that means cos theta. Here k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So this is the answer as proved. Here I am giving one assignment for you. Same model but terms are changed. If secant theta plus tan theta is equal to k, then prove that sin theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. All students are instructed to solve this problem and send that answer to your class teacher. If you have any doubt, ask your teacher. Thank you.